The CIA, you know them. They are the ones with the secrets, the gadgets, the license to thrill and sometimes spill. Since their formation in 1947, the agency has had a reputation for thinking outside the box. Sometimes that box is shaped like a cat. You see, the CIA is no stranger to strange ideas. They've dabbled in mind control, explored the depths of the ocean, and even tried to use pigeons as flying photographers. Yes, you read that right. Pigeons with tiny cameras. But perhaps their most audacious project involved our feline friends. Enter Operation Acoustic Kitty. During the Cold War, tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union were high. Both sides were desperate for any advantage. The CIA, always on the lookout for innovative ways to gather intelligence, came up with a plan. They would turn cats into spies. The idea, as crazy as it sounds, was actually quite simple. Cats, being naturally stealthy and curious creatures, could easily slip into places where humans couldn't. Imagine a cat, equipped with listening devices, strolling nonchalantly near a group of unsuspecting Soviet officials. Genius, right? Turning a cat into a secret agent wasn't as easy as it sounded. First, the CIA needed to find the right cat for the job. It had to be calm, quiet, and not easily distracted. Once they found their feline recruit, the real work began. The CIA surgeons implanted a microphone in the cat's ear canal and a radio transmitter at the base of its skull. A thin wire, acting as an antenna, was woven into its fur. The cat was essentially a walking, purring surveillance device. The first field test of Operation Acoustic Kitty was a disaster. The cat, released near a park where Soviet officials were known to meet, was immediately distracted. Instead of slinking towards its target, the cat wandered onto the road and was promptly hit by a taxi. Operation Acoustic Kitty was deemed a failure and scrapped. The project, which cost millions of dollars, highlighted the challenges of using animals for espionage. Cats, as it turns out, are not particularly interested in Cold War politics. They'd rather chase butterflies, nap in sunbeams, and knock things off shelves. You know, cat things. The CIA learned a valuable lesson. Sometimes the most outlandish ideas are best left on the drawing board.